Dropbox is hiring. If you're looking for a remote job in the US, this could be your chance to join an innovative company that's redefining how we work. They're currently looking for a product support representative, a role where you'll play a key part in supporting Dropbox's incredible tools like Sync, Capture, Backup, DocSend, and Dropbox Sign. These tools are all about making work life smoother and more efficient, and you'll be at the forefront of ensuring customers have the best experience possible. Before I dive into the details, don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone who might be interested, and subscribe to stay updated on more job opportunities. It really helps us out and means so much. Let's get into what makes this role so exciting. As a product support representative, your main focus will be providing top-notch support to Dropbox users. Whether it's troubleshooting an issue, explaining features in a user-friendly way, or sharing customer feedback with the product teams, you'll be helping people get the most out of their Dropbox experience. This is a fully remote position open to candidates across the US, so you can work from wherever you're most comfortable. Dropbox is a virtual first company, meaning they've mastered the art of supporting remote employees and ensuring they have everything needed to succeed. You'll use tools like Slack, Jira, Zendesk, and Zoom to stay connected with your team and customers. Now, who's the ideal candidate for this role? If you've got 0 to 2 years of experience in technical support or customer-facing roles, that's a great start. Familiarity with operating systems like Windows or macOS is a huge plus, and if you work with tools like Zendesk or have experience supporting enterprise clients, even better. But what Dropbox values most is your attitude. They're looking for people who are great communicators, problem solvers, and team players. Someone who's adaptable, eager to learn, and passionate about creating amazing customer experiences. When it comes to what Dropbox offers, they go above and beyond to take care of their team. The salary for this role ranges from $52,400 to $79,700 annually, depending on your location. Alongside that, Dropbox provides a comprehensive benefits package that includes medical, dental, and vision coverage, flexible PTO, for a 1K matching, and much more. They also offer allowances for wellness, learning, and personal development, giving you the freedom to invest in what matters most to you. You'll even have access to co-working spaces worldwide if you ever feel like working outside your home. Dropbox also stands out for its focus on building an inclusive, supportive community. With employee groups like Asians at Dropbox, Pridebox, Black Dropboxers, and many more, it's clear that diversity and belonging are at the heart of their culture. This is the kind of company where you'll feel supported, valued, and truly part of a team. If this sounds like the right fit for you, don't wait. Apply today. These roles fill up quickly, and you don't want to miss out. And while you're at it, be sure to check out Dropbox website for more remote job opportunities and watch our other videos for more great openings. Thanks for tuning in and good luck. This could be the start of something amazing.